Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a quick video answering a question that you have left me, to see how you can tell if a gauge has a pump or not a pump without having to remove it from the fuel tank. Of the fuel tank? Fundamental to know it, you look at the connector or the card, as they call it in other places, and look at the number of pins that it has. It has 2 pins. If it has 2 pins, these never have a pump. This has the, which is the gauge, it has those 2 pins. Because it has 2 cables, so that the AQ, the vehicle's computer, knows at all times the level of fuel in the tank. This on the contrary has 4 pins. If it has 4 pins, you can even find yourself with 5 pins. These always have a pump in the gauge, so accessing from above, you do not even have to remove it. In this way you can get rid of doubts, simply by looking at the cables that reach the connector, in fact without releasing it, seeing the number of cables. If they have 2 it does not have, and if it has 4, in some vehicles you can find up to 5. In those they do have a pump in the gauge. You see that it is a very simple way to know it, without having to remove the gauge from the fuel tank. There are some vehicles, well, this one in particular, this is from BMW, these would have 2 gauges, because these, as they have the tank divided in 2, because that is why they have 2, you need to know the AQ at all times to make the calculations how much fuel is in each of the tanks. In many vehicles, in the vast majority, the vehicles only have 1, and as I say, if it only has 2 pins, the Ford order does not have a pump. If it has 4 or 5 pins, if it has, well, here is this video. If it has been useful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.